All right. Whoa.
So we've toured the store. We're sitting here next to the Gibson wall.
And I'm really anxious, man.
I know. I just sat down now. I guess since you're anxious, I got to get back up and we got to hit the road.
Okay. You driving?
I'm driving. You want to go out to
Yeah,
Ren's?
let's go.
Let's do it. Bob, welcome to Montana.
What a beautiful day. What a
It's
beautiful
like 65
place.
degrees and it's December 1st.
This is insane, but
It is insane.
Well,
We're
thanks.
heading out to Ren's,
Yeah.
and you just flew in from Florida.
and I'm excited as I've ever been since
Yeah.
I can remember.
Excellent. Welcome, everybody.
So this is like wild. You know?
This is wild.
This is
This is exciting.
This is the
like-
first one, so
Yeah.
I mean it's been
Yeah.
years.
Yeah. And I
It seems
noticed
like,
I
yeah.
have a few that are
Oh, they're all
almost
over here.
done that we have to look at here in a minute too. We
Um,
came out here. I don't know. I guess it's been a year. And
It was a year going
we talked,
January.
we talked about this. I can't believe it's been a year, but we talked about it, and you guys were getting your shop set up, and Bob
I
called.
watched it on
Yeah, he watched
my
the video.
my iPad, and
Yeah.
and then I don't know. It says I gotta call Chad and
Yeah.
whatever, Paul, and I
Yeah.
did, and it was like just like yes.
This is our first guitar to Paul, and it's the first
And
one
then to you.
to you. I mean it's so I'll let you open it.
Yeah, you do it.
Me?
Yeah,
You open
Okay.
it.
I've seen it already. I'm sick of it. In
I
fact.
briefly saw it.
Yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Now I've seen it. Thank you for the pictures. I got Sunday night, but holy cow. I don't know what to say, man.
I
It's just
say
like
we
it's like
pull
out
it out
of
and
this
let you
world.
hold
Oops, gotta fix that.
it. You hold that. Look at the
Oh my
headstock. Look at the back.
Light
Light
it for
is
you.
out, yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, so
Look at the back.
this is bird's eye maple
Yep.
and Brazilian rosewood.
Yeah, and I had
How
a
fortunate
really
am
nice
I?
piece that I was able to book match.
And thanks
Yes.
for this, man.
Yeah. Well, you're never going to be able to sell it now, so I hope you like
No,
it.
you know what? I said this guitar has no value
There you are.
because I can't sell it because I'll never. It may be worth something to my daughter someday,
I
but
hope
she'll
so.
never sell it either.
And
His
this
daughter's
is also
name's Bob.
Brazilian up in here, and it was book matched, but it's so dark you can't hardly see that.
It almost looks like ebony.
It does, but it is the same Brazilian.
This is exciting. How cool to see one of the first Ferguson guitars. I know we were
This
talking a little bit yesterday, you know, what makes these so unique and stuff. And, you know, tell us, I mean, the necks, how you guys make the necks.
Well, right now we get the most romantic version of doing this. We get to build everything by hand.
Yeah.
And so, you know, the necks literally get to start out as a big billet of wood that we are trimming to dimension and then starting to saw parts out of. And I don't know,
That's what's,
that
You would
portion
call
of
the
this
nest to
entire
have the same
process
width,
is
depth,
really
and
rewarding.
shape of the neck, and
Right.
this was
That's-
this is as close as I could get.
It feels perfect.
With
I know what I'm
well,
holding.
this end
I
may,
can tell what I'm holding. It's-
but you got a
it's
little
like-
more width
I
down
have an
here,
OM28. Yeah.
like the original, and by pushing this into a 12 fret, you would have gotten a little more bass out of it, but the 14 fret
Yeah,
is
that's
just
my thing.
clean
you
and
know?
sweet. Yeah.
That's just my thing. I've owned 12 frets, but I lean, you know,
Yeah.
most of my guitars are 14. I just like them. They just,
okay, so we got one new one going out the door here today.
Yeah.
How many are coming up? What do you guys?
Well,
How
that's
many?
yours.
It looks like there's about 20 guitars.
That's
one
yours.
yours?
Yeah.
That's yours. This,
Okay.
that,
Yeah, and I noticed over here.
and
couple of fancy
Wow.
ones.
Yeah,
At least one of
It was good you got here.
Yeah.
You got here.
Good.
Yeah.
So
so he got.
looks like there's about 20 in the works around
Right.
here, and maybe 10 of them for Music Villa. So we're excited.
Where can I
Excited
sit?
Maybe
to see
more
it.
than
Yeah.
10.
Would you like to sit down? Is that
I'm gonna sit.
Yeah.
Wow.
You have no idea how cool it is for me to build guitars for people that actually play.
My dad and I call that functional art.
Yeah. Exactly.
And it's maybe the most constant phrase that we use when trying to balance what we're doing. Because if you go too far, people will open the case and they'll look at it.
Yeah.
But if they reach in, we gotcha. Because that means you're gonna want to play it.
Yeah.
I have a friend of the family that wanted a guitar made, and they wanted an AJ, but they went with the same. They would have taken this guitar if we had sold it to them. So we are creating another one very, very similar.
Bob, thank you for coming out here. This is as exciting for me as it is probably for you to be out here. And, you know, I get to come out here and
I gotta
and do
pinch
this
myself.
every day.
This is like, you know.
Yeah, this
I'm
is-
glad you're recording this because I'm going to have to revisit this whole thing several
cool.
times.
Me too.
You know?
Definitely
Yeah.
like to thank Ren.
Thank you, man.
Tim,
Thank
Ferguson.
You, Tim.
These guys are making some of the, they're making history right now, actually. They're making some of the coolest guitars, some of the most inspirational guitars I've seen, and we are very excited for you guys. It's just, you know, you're local. We've known you a long time, and just to see your company get started like this and to get going is just exciting. So we've made it, you guys have made it, and we're happy for you. So thanks.
Thanks, Paul.
Yeah.